Hey guys, iMAT here, and today we have the KUMI U5 Pro smartwatch. It is a rugged smartwatch which comes with US military standard 810H certifications, a built-in GPS with 6 satellite positioning systems, and not just that, it also comes with AI as well as ChatGPT inside it. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. So first of all, let's find out what comes inside the box of the KUMI U5 Pro. So I'm gonna get it out. So first of all, we have this card here which gives a little introduction of the smartwatch. Then we get the KUMI U5 Pro. We're going to take a closer look on it later in the video. And after that, if you get this box out, inside it, first of all, we have the charger here. While on this side, we get the user manual to get you started with all of the functions. So first of all, if you take a look at the body, it comes in a rugged design and it is quite durable. The body dimensions are 50.2mm into 49mm with a thickness of 15.6mm. The body material is said to be zinc, alloy plus nylon plus fiberglass, and it has the US military standard 8108 certifications. The smartwatch has passed a lot of tests including waterproof, then high temperature as well as low temperature test, dust proof and draw proof, and many other tests like this. And wherever you go, it is your perfect companion as it is really strong and won't break easily. Talking more about the body, the KUMI U5 Pro is rated 5 ATM waterproof and it is 50-meter water resistant. So whether you're swimming, surfing, or it's daily hand washing, it can be easily handled, making your watch an all-weather partner. Since it comes in a rugged design, so the overall look is also quite heavy. We get 3 keys here. You can use one of them to power off the display. Then you can set any function on the lower key. For example, most of the people use workout modes here. So you can directly access the sport modes from here. And then we have this crown key here which can be used for scrolling and also for going back. Then with Corning Gorilla Glass on top, we have a 1.43 inches AMOLED display. It has a screen resolution of 466 into 466, and overall the interaction with the smartwatch is quite satisfactory. It is quite smooth and the color vibrancy and the color saturation is also quite good in the smartwatch. I am really loving the colors of the display. Plus I've confirmed in the darkness that it is using a true AMOLED display and won't emit light from the black areas in the dark, which will help in providing a great battery life even with the screen of dial enabled. Then as I mentioned earlier, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass on top, so you shouldn't be afraid of dropping your smartwatch as it won't be scratched easily. Then if you look at the back side, it is using liquid silicone rubber straps and they are in 22mm size. They are removable. You can remove them and use any 22mm straps here. But by looking at the straps, I don't think that you will need to replace them. They are really good in quality and look really good with the rugged design of the smartwatch. And here is how it's looking on the wrist. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Before we move further in the video, let's go ahead and take a look at all of the languages supported by it. The overall interaction is quite easy. We have the control center, then we get the notifications. We have menu from right to left. You can also access it using this crown key. And from bottom to top, we have the widgets page. You can also access the applications directly from here. You can also go all the way down here. And here we have the edit button. So you can also rearrange all of these widgets here. Then we get many built-in watch faces inside it. And all of them are looking really good with the design of the smartwatch. My favorite one is this default one. But you're not restricted to the watch faces available in the smartwatch. It works with the KUMI Ultra application, and we have the watch face gallery here which contains a lot of watch faces inside it. There are many categories given here and all of them are available for totally free, so you can choose to install whichever one you like here. And we also have the custom watch face option, using which you can choose your own picture from the gallery or choose the ones given here and create a watch face yourself using it. And that's not it. We also have the AI watch face option here. So if you go to the menu, we have the AI watch face option here. So first of all, you will have to select a style here. For example, I'm going with comic ideas and then tap here and then you will have to say something. A dog. After that, tap on stop recording. So now it has recognized my speech. Tap on the tick icon and now it is going to create the dial and transfer it to the smartphone. So here it has created a watch face. Tap on the tick icon again and here you can see that it has set that picture as the custom watch face. And the good thing is that it also remembers the last 3 AI watch faces created by you. Then it also comes with this screen of dial option, and if you go to settings and always on display, there are many watch faces given here for the screen of dial. My favorite one is this digital one. And again, you can use the watch application and here go to watch face gallery. And here we have the AOD watch face option, which contains a lot of watch faces for the screen of dial. And after installing it, you can go to settings, always on display, and face gallery again to choose that watch face. And the good thing is that the screen of tile can stay on until the battery runs out. So wherever you are, you can always take a look at the time directly on the watch. Then it also comes with the raise to wake gesture to turn off the display as well as to turn it back on. And we also have the tap to wake option to wake it up. And it also comes with the palm gesture to turn off the display. In the display and brightness, we have the display duration option, and the maximum screen time is 60 seconds, and after 60 seconds of inactivity on the home screen, it's going to turn off. Talking about the maximum brightness level, it is good enough to be used outside, and even in the direct sunlight the visibility is quite good. Using the watch application, you can also take many other advantages. First of all, you can receive SMS as well as app notifications, and in app notifications we also get the other option, which means even if an application isn't listed here, it can still send you the notifications for it. When you receive a new notification, it wakes up the display and shows a full screen prompts like this, and as you can see here, it also supports a little scrolling. And not just SMS notifications, you can also receive phone notifications, and in the control center we also get the Bluetooth calling option here. The icon will turn blue once you turn it on, and once it is enabled, you can go to the menu and go to the call and keypad, and here you can call any number directly from the smartwatch. And not just that, you can also receive calls directly on it, and it also shows the name of the caller without syncing the contacts. Once you accept the call, we have the mute, sound adjustment, and the hang up option. Then using Bluetooth calling, you can also access the voice assistant directly on it. How's the weather today?
Should be sunny today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 32 degrees.
And it also provides voice feedback. Then you can also push weather updates to the smartwatch. It also shows a lot of data here, and also the weather for the upcoming days as well as the weather throughout the day. And we get the women's health option here. If you want to use this feature, you'll have to go to the watch application and here go to menstrual cycle to set up your cycle. Another thing that I really like is that the smartwatch can also sync with the third-party applications like Apple Health. Another amazing thing about the KUMI U5 Pro is that it comes with ChatGPT inside it. So let's try it out. Tell me about iPhone 11. And here you can see that it has recognized my speech. After that, tap on the tick icon, and now let's wait for it to give the response. It will be shown on the smartwatch as well as on the smartphone. Here you can see that currently it is showing the response here. The iPhone 11 is a smartphone designed, developed and marketed by Apple Insurance. It does not show the full answer here. To see the full answer, you will have to use the ChatGPT option in the application. And here you can see that it has given a detailed answer and has mentioned all of the specs of the iPhone 11. Isn't it amazing to have ChatGPT directly available on your wrist? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And this is the first rugged smartwatch that I'm reviewing, which comes with ChatGPT inside it. After that, we also have motion sensing games. It has dance as well as casual games. Then we also have fitness games. Let's go with the casual games. Then tap on enter the game. So here you can see that the game is here. Tap on play, and you'll have to move your hand in order to move in the game. You can either do that by walking in real life, or you can move your wrist like this to move in the game. Just like this, you can complete many levels inside it. There are many other games given here. For example, we have Abracadabra, My Hums, then we have fat burning games here. After that, if you go here, we get this sports tab here. Then we also get 170 plus workout modes in the smartwatch. There are a lot of them given here, and whichever one you want to choose. One thing that I really like is that it has this edit option. You can tap here and customize the time, distance as well as calories target, or you can even start without any target. And when you start it, you'll have to tap on go in order to start the workout mode. So currently we have the indoor workout mode running. So now let's go ahead and test it out. First of all, if I go to health and here scroll down and go to steps, currently it has tracked 516 steps for the day, and there are no steps tracked for 8 to 9 p.m. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I am back now. So let's go ahead and end the workout. I'm gonna press and hold this button to end the workout. So I use the indoor walk sport mode. Let's go to the health application and here go to the day data. So iPhone has tracked 417 steps. Let's check the KUMI U5 Pro. So I walked for around 8 to 9 minutes as you can see here, and the total distance was 290 meters. And then if you scroll down, KUMI U5 Pro has tracked 399 steps. So the accuracy is quite impressive compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. During this, it also tracked my average pace as well as the average heartbeat. You can also go to the application to see more data. So here it is, indoor walking, and you can go here and it is showing all of the data here. And if you check out the chart, it is showing me the heart rate chart. And if you scroll down, we have more information given here. Another major reason behind the impressive values given by the KUMI U5 Pro is that It comes with dual band GPS inside it with 6 satellite positioning systems supported, which makes the tracking quite accurate. You can also access the workout records directly in the smartwatch and see all of your data later. After that, it also comes with the daily activity application which stores all of your pedometer data for the day. Then it also comes with the heart rate, blood oxygen and stress level checker inside it, and to be honest, these are the only applications I would trust in a smartwatch. So let's go ahead and compare it with the oximeter. So if you are measuring your heart rate or the blood oxygen level checker, this is the correct place to wear the smartwatch. So first of all, let's try out the heart rate checker. So the values are quite accurate. So throughout the measurement, the values are quite similar on both of the devices, and with this, the KUMI U5 Pro has passed my oximeter test. Other than that, it also comes with the music application to control the media playing on the device. We also have the sleep tracker here to track your sleep data. You can also set the sleep settings here. You can set a schedule here. Other than that, you can also set up your sleep goal and sleep reminder. We also get the compass inside it. If using for the first time, you will have to calibrate it first, and after that the compass will start to work. It is also showing the altitude and barometric pressure data here. You can go back and also access these applications separately here. We have the barometric pressure here, and if you scroll down, we have the altitude. You can also tap on calibration if you want to manually set the altitude value, and then it will change the values according to that. We have breathing exercise here. You can set the duration and the pace here, then tap on start to start the breath training. After running the 3 seconds timer, it will start the breath training. We also have some general applications like stopwatch here. You can tap here to start it, and you can tap here to add as many laps as you want. And while the stopwatch is running, you can also take a look at all of the laps. Another good thing is that you can even go back while using the stopwatch, and it will continue to run in the background. Then you can also add alarms directly in the smartwatch. Let's go ahead and set an alarm. You can also select the days if you want to repeat it. So let's wait for it to ring. Here's how the alarm is shown. It rings as well as vibrates and has a really loud ring. We have the snooze and the close option here. After that, we get the timer. We have some predefined times here, and you can scroll all the way down to set time according to your need. I'm gonna set it for 1 second, and when the timer ends, it starts to vibrate, but unfortunately it does not ring. And it has the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. In the end, the KUMI U5 Pro is advertised to come with a battery capacity of 470 mAh, and it takes around 2.5 hours to fully charge using the charger provided in the box. As advertised, it can provide you with a battery life of 7 to 10 days on normal usage. And in my opinion, with heavy usage, it can still give you around 2 to 4 days of battery life. So guys, this was all from today's video. What did you think about it? It has actually impressed me with its rugged features. It has a durable body, then the health sensors and the pedometer is working quite well. And not just that, this is the first rugged smartwatch that I'm using which comes with ChatGPT as well as AI watch face creation inside it. If you would like to place an order, I'm going to be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. For related videos, you can visit the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support my work, you can join the channel membership. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.